I'm Techo Baz. Welcome to the channel that's all about radio, vintage, turntables, stereos, all sorts of things. I hope you like what we do on our channel. Enough of the chit chat, let's get on with the videos. Okay guys, well this radio was the project that I was going to YouTube as our first video anyway, and well, it's a bit of a history with it. First of all, I'll show you some photos of how it started out and where we're up to at the moment. Okay, well, I have taken off the dial glass to protect things here, of course. The string, a little bit of butcher string put in there, which was quite interesting. Still worked, but very stiff. This radio has had no work done on it whatsoever. I've removed the speaker from the front, which you probably saw in the previous pictures. And I have run a twin lead out so I can hook on our workshop speaker in here. And if I turn him around, our mains cord, well, that's what's left. I'll just use probably a desk cord to hook onto that fella. The cord has gone, the original cord's gone very, very hard with this one, and it's just falling to pieces. These are no frills videos. I've been doing these a long time, and I just wanted to, well, join everyone on YouTube of my rebuilds and what they look like. This one is a HMV. And the model is a 547. Nice little radio. Now, underneath, you can see that, get a bit of light on the subject here, that there is certainly not much in the way of work being done on this old girl. The mains cord is, yeah, as I said, it's all gone hard. Everything sort of breaks here with the insulation. This fella here is a lead to the 6-volt pilot lamp. Once again, it just cracks up. It's shocking, yeah. And lots of other wiring in here. Now, the strange thing I've noticed with this one also, I'll leave him on that angle. In fact, I might zoom a little bit in on this fella here, and just if I can get a little bit better picture there somewhere. Okay. Strangely, there we go. Not used to this camera business. These had 3 shafts on them. There was the tone control, which is that fella there. That I'll use my other hand, it'll be handy. This one, tone control, 3-position tone. this one tuning, which is just the tuning spindle, and this one for volume. Now this one appears to be maybe original. I'm not sure. I think it's been replaced at some stage. But then there's been another hole drilled in here which has got the main switch on it and nothing connected to the pot. So obviously someone's had a go at this. I don't know whether the original, at the moment, I don't know whether the original has had a switch pot in it, but and they've changed this and then, well, didn't have a switch pot, so they've drilled a hole in here and put this one in. Seems to work okay, but not ideal. Seeing there's a hole in the case, I'll probably just leave that fellow, leave the spindle in there, and possibly even just use that as the on-off switch and this one as volume, because we do have a hole in the front of the case, as you've probably seen. There's a picture of it now on the screen anyway, and yeah, rather than try and plug the hole, we may as well put a spindle through it and put the fourth knob on. Okay, this is the project. Nothing, no caps replaced, there's nothing. I haven't fired this up, which brings me to the next point. Okay, so this was the project, and then I thought, well, I'd really like to see whether this is going to fire up long beforehand. This is yeah, not normally the way I do things. Normally the way I'll go and change caps, go through it, check the valves, and then fire it up. This one, I really would like to fire it up straight away and see whether it's going to work, which is a problem, because after all these years, I've fixed valve radios since I was 15, 16 years old, and I don't have a dim bulb. Now, I'm going to need it for these. I'll be doing quite a few videos. I want to share the experience of undoing something. There it is. Let's see if it works. And I need a dim bulb. So, of course, the next project before this one is going to be the dim bulb, and the first little job for the dim bulb will be this little radio. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video for the moment, the end of this part, and fairly shortly we'll be uploading the next part in this series. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like us, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to follow us, please remember to hit the subscribe button down there and the little bell that will notify you when we upload our next video. Until then, thank you for watching.